Camera. Unlike more expensive Nokia phones such as the Nokia 7 Plus, the new Nokia 6 has just the one camera on the back. It's a 16MP sensor with an upgraded Zeiss brand lens. We've only tried it out in a relatively dingy office so far, and in such conditions the photos come out quite soft. However, that's to be expected of a non-stabilized camera that doesn't have great big sensor pixels. Around the front there's an 8MP selfie camera, and you get the Nokia Bothy feature. This lets you capture those birthday presents being opened and the look of disappointment on your face at the same time. Instagram Gold. New Nokia 6 2018. On the back there's a 16MP camera. Battery. Battery life is another area we can't judge quite yet. You get a 3,000 mAh cell just like the last Nokia 6, but we do have some reason to think stamina may be a little better than that phone's one-day stamina. The new version's Snapdragon 630 chipset is more efficient as it uses a 14nm process, although we'll be surprised if it makes it through 2 days use. Not given the way we treat our phones anyway. You also get fast charging as standard this time around. While the original Nokia 6 does support fast charging, you don't get a fast charger in the box. And who wants to spend more cash when you're already on a budget? The 2018 Nokia 6 will get you from 0% to 50% charge in 30 minutes. While not the fastest around, we'll take that sort of improvement.